Hey guys, I'm Joel. In this video, I'm going to be finishing up what I was working on last video, where I was rebuilding my LSD in the E30. I've got 3 clutches in there now instead of 2. Go back and check that video out if you want to see how I did all that. But if you saw at the end of the video, I put 75 way 90 in, and apparently that is wrong. Even though this says that it's for limited slip differentials, E30s apparently like 75 way 140, and I think this is way thicker, so I'm gonna go back in and change it because I don't want to risk blowing my clutches up right away. I don't want the clutches to stop working prematurely. So hopefully, I've seen people say that Royal Purple is good. This is what the local parts store had. It says it has friction modifier additive in it, so it should be good. It's not Castrol or liquid moly, but it should get the job done. I gotta make sure that this comes out slowly. Then we're just gonna let that drain. While that's draining, I could take the time to throw the exhaust up. Like I said, there's only one hanger holding this on, so I definitely want to make more mounts as soon as possible. It's been like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and the nylon lock nut for the V-band is still in the 13. It's dripping now, so majority of it is out. Now here comes a gnarly shoulder workout. Oh, it's actually purple. I don't know why I thought it would be different, but how many pumps is this gonna take? Oh my goodness. One's done.
Not even, bro, but that don't make sense, bro. If you
There we go. The diff is full. Let's go. Shit. Yeah, oh, it's dripping a lot. That Royal Purple, that's that lean. I love lean. So the 2 brand new axles from FCP Euro are in with the Seems Legit Garage axle spacers. 75 140 is in the diff. Racing Diffs LSD rebuild kit, stage 1 I believe, and it has the 3 clutches instead of the 2 clutches that come stock. So everything should feel really good back here now. Hopefully, I'm hoping. Wanted to check to see if there was an exhaust leak right here at that V-band. So now that I know that there isn't, I can lower it on the floor and not have to worry about the exhaust leaking while it's on the floor. These tires are almost done. You know what that means. New tires coming soon for the E30. These wheels are so bad for performance. They're so heavy. And I miss driving this car and hearing it. One thing that I was worried when I was building this car was that I put the blow-off valve on the hot side, and I didn't realize that it really mattered until after I was done. But it actually makes it really nice for drivability because it alleviates the turbo of all the pressure, but it spools up so quickly that, I don't know, it's like a weird balance that with this turbo it actually works really well, that it makes the car feel very responsive having that blow-off valve there, which is interesting. I didn't know that that would really matter, but it does. Let's set them all to white because that's the crispiness. This car is so much easier to drive than the E46. This has a twin disc and it's way easier than the stage 3 6-puck in the E46. That looks way lower than, what the fuck? Has this car always been this low? Shaking so much, it's like kind of concerning compared to the E46. And my door's open, yo. There we go. This is terrifying, honestly. This thing sounds so good. guy Matt is already here. I can leave it right here. What do you mean? What did you say?
Did you get a wash set?
Oh, I didn't.
I only
That's
washed
fine.
the body. I didn't touch the wheels, so it's not that dirty.
It's fine.
I'll
It's
spray
fine.
it off with this, and then I still have time left, so I'll just pull out and then.
How much did you? No. Use the whole time for you. Now I'm just gonna scrub it down with this real quick. Sorry if it's not the politically correct way, but yo, I'm gonna be paint correcting it soon, so. Holy shit, that was insane. I'm so mad about this. I did not, this thing is fucking junk now. It hit the floor. This thing literally has to go in the garbage. It's brand new. I want to get a picture right here, stuffed in here. Dude, that was so stressful.
Yeah, the wall was rattling.
Ow. Oh, the vibration. Dude, my steering wheel is going like this. Hopefully it's a loose wheel. Let me see. I'm praying that it's a loose wheel so that it fixes itself. They're definitely not loose. Fuck. Making hella noise out in the parking lot. Damn it, dude. So that... It's not good. That means the vibration is something else. I don't even know. It's only like bad at like 90.
Oh, dude, we'll be chilling like 75.
They're all cleaned up. Damn, I forgot how clean the E30 actually is. Shit. Here's my car. A little close-up view. This thing only has one exhaust tip, but it sounds so good that it makes up for it. Damn, it sounds so good. This thing shot a huge amount of smoke out. Oh my, it's smoking a lot. That's a lot of smoke. That's a lot of smoke. This turbo might be on its way out. Oh no. But I don't want to put another eBay turbo. Yeah.
It held up fine.
For a year. I mean, it's just a little bit of leaky seals. I do want to get a nice turbo, but
Yeah.
then I got to remake the downpipe. I might as well should just remake the full exhaust at that point. Might as well should just recirc the wastegate at that point. It's like a big...
That's a lot of work.
Or I could just replace the China turbo in. Let's go to FCP. Those are the things that I think about when I think of possibly working on this thing. Because let me know what you guys think about that turbo situation. Oh man, this thing just shot a huge flame. The tires are full of soap. Damn, look at that thing. Oh, it sounds so good. Whoa, this thing is... This thing is gnarly. Oh, my tag! How nice of you to make an appearance. It's not accurate, though. looking like a fucking fighter jet. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'm in second. The gearing is so different compared to the 46. I don't know if I was in fifth or third. Gotta downshift, you know? Comment on the axles and the diff. This thing is so smooth in the rear end now. I was just kind of a little bit worried about the vibration. It seems to have fixed itself, but it's like this thing is so smooth now. It's buttery with the LSD. I thought I was in fourth gear. We have made it. Oh my, that does not look good. Oh shit. F. That sucks. We have made it to the world of Euro cars, FCP Euro. There's so many European cars here. 46 on M-Bars. Look at this parking lot, yo. Like the workers here are all Euroed out. Dude, that was crazy. That looks horrible. That looks like a shitty time, honestly. The car's posted up. Sun came out. It's a good day. I cannot complain about the day today. Even after the drive, the car still stayed very clean. Damn, look at, yo, this camera is insane, man.
You got the 3 cameras?
These guys in the M3s pulled up. Damn, these things are hot. Oh man, I don't know what I'm looking at, but I see a supercharger. These things are hot. This is what I love about this. There's a cool E46 back there on M-Pars. Just hella European cars out here. I love that carbon hood. It looks insane in the...
Same thing.
Damn.
Bigger kit though.
Is it? I have no idea what I'm looking at with these. Look at that. That's just crazy. Shh. That is awesome. We came out to eat, even though we just met these dudes. We came out because we're locals, so.
Yo, good fucking day, huh?
Very good day. I'm not gonna hit you with the left, I'm gonna hit you with the right. Change camera hands just to do that. It's disrespectful to dab someone up with the left hand, just know that. Oh, yeah? Hey, stop it. Yo. Yes, it's disrespectful. We came out to eat because we're all from around the same part of Connecticut, so we're just gonna cruise on back. Guess this cinematic mode is crazy.
That's cool.
My God. Big ass brakes. I forgot I had that. I forgot I had that. Oh my God, that was loud. keep saying that, but that's what it is. That's what it looks like. Made it to my boy Omar's shop, chilling. And you guys know the obligatory turnaround at the end of my street. I gotta see if this diff can do it. It definitely still does it. Oh my god, that locked up so hard. Nah, I want to redo that. I just came in my driveway, the smoothest I've ever came in because of the LSD. I'm like, wow, that was really easy. It took me a second. I forgot that I did this. Backing in my driveway, it was always chirping. I had no steering. Now it literally it just backs up like a normal car. I don't know, it's not really that crazy because you guys don't know how bad it truly was, but trust me guys, that was worth it alone, just how easy it was to back in my driveway. That's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just a calm day. I actually have never gone out with strangers like that. Like, we did not know who those guys were. They just pulled up to FCP to pick up some oil for their cars. And we were like, oh, let's cruise back. And I was like, I'm down, but I'm starving. So they're agreed. And we just went out to a bar around the corner and ate. So that was really cool. I had a lot of fun. And as you saw, the differential was perfectly smooth the whole time. I had no issues. It was so smooth that it was really hard to decipher a difference because of how natural it felt. I forgot how annoying the welded diff actually was, and the only time I can actually tell that was pulling in my driveway, so I guess it's worth it in the end. I had a lot of fun yesterday, and I hope you guys enjoyed that style of video. It's not normally what I do, but I like working, but I also like enjoying my cars. So leave a like, follow me on Instagram right here at E30Joel to stay up to date with everything that I'm doing, and yeah, thank you for watching.